suspect vehicle is a black BMW.
I really wish I knew what that rattling noise is. It's something behind me. I just don't know if it's something to do with the car seat back there. Can't do much about that. If it is, at least. Oh, it's really hard to save time on these roads. I mean, I'm saving my wheels at least. I mean, 20 miles at 60 miles an hour, I should get there in 20 minutes. If I go faster than 60 miles an hour, I should get there in like, oh, what is it, like 15, 17? I can't remember how to calculate that in my head. Trip planning as a truck driver was always so easy because I was limited to 65, so I would just do my estimations, you know, assuming that I was doing a mile a minute, and that whenever I got to go faster than that, that just saved me a little bit of time. But it was really good for really precise estimates for trip planning and all that stuff. But now that I'm in a car that can go, well, as fast as I want, basically, doing that math is really awkward. So 60 miles an hour, 20 miles, it's 8:36. 8:56 would be my arrival time if I was only going 60. So I should save about 4, 5, maybe 6 minutes if I can go 60 or more. Emphasis on the more, you know, within reason. So I should get there, you know, because I want to get there before 9. 9 is my scheduled time. But I'm also taking this detour, which added a minute to it. So it should be fine. Merging onto the highway. These roads. I've dodged all the really bad roads by taking that route, but there's just like, like half a mile of crap before we get onto the highway, and then we should be clear. Oh! Alright. Love the interstellar class roads. It's just freaking amazing. Why are you guys going so slow? Looking for potholes. Looking for potholes. There's one right there. Damn, that's a crater. Horsepower will always be the key to success. I'm sure Jeremy Clarkson would be proud. Horsepower. We made it. We did lose some time on my ETA. Now we're back to 8:59. That ain't good. But let's see. 15 miles at 60. 50 minutes. So 8:58 if I go 60 miles an hour with 15 miles. 8:58. You do the math. If I don't want to get better than 8:58, just don't say anything. I feel like I'm extra mobile now compared to, you know, when I was driving the truck. You know, in the truck, if I wanted to pass someone, it had to be strategic and it would take, you know, a while. One time it took me like a quarter of an hour just to pass someone. Hey, Mr. Arch, how you doing? We always got to we always got to say hi to the Arch. The Arch. Imagination. It's the same kind of hand gesture. The Arch. Come on, this is where dreams are made and hopes are crushed. Let's go. Choking on my own fluids. Woohoo! Well, glad I have good brakes. It looked like there was like an air filter on the ground. That didn't. Well, that looked like someone had a really damn Camry had a really bad day. Come on, GTO, I want to see you in action. Was that a 6-liter? I can't tell. It's cool to see those out on the road. I just thought that body style GTO looked really cool. Now you guys kind of understand why I only think it's worth recording once I start getting into the St. Louis area, because it gets more exciting. Just more stuff happens. There's more people driving around like that. There's more chaos, less order, more destruction apparently. You're a Ford Explorer, but you don't look like a cop. You're definitely not a cop. You used your turn signals. Mr. Chevy Blazer, you're not gonna have room to go anywhere. Oh no, there's an Altima. Big Altima Energy coming up on my right. No, the Blazer is using... Oh, I guess they meant to go down there. I thought we were about to see something amazing happen there. So I was gonna say they weren't going fast enough to use that exit lane to pass that truck on the right. Okay, the roads are dry, but the sky is still booty cheeks. What's going on here? Oh, is that a 3 Series or a 4 Series? Oh wait, no, is that an M car? It's got a black badge on it, so it's hard to tell. What are you? Are you an M car? Oh, you're... Oh, okay. Come on. Yeah, you're an M3. That's cool. It's a nice color. It feels weird. The G-body M cars are kind of growing on me a bit, and I never thought they would. I mean, he's probably going to work. We're all going to work. We can't hang out and have fun. But that's cool. Nice looking M car. Uh-oh. Nice Audi estate. I'm gonna roll up my window because it's nicer and it's hot out. Nice BMW. What the heck are you doing? Okay, I thought that was gonna be a lot more exciting. I don't trust people when they do that. Well, hey, my monitor is working today. Apparently when the maid came by, Heather unplugged the charging cable for the heart monitor, so when I plugged it in and I thought I was charging it for a few hours, it wasn't actually doing anything, it wasn't charging. So I was like, why is this thing broken? This thing's a piece of junk. But no, it wasn't plugged in. Oh, Mr. Temp Tag.
Huh?
That temp tag is bullshit. The expiration date on that is 10/10/23. Unless if we just time traveled or something, pretty sure that's expired. Dang, Mr. Optima. I'm already at half a tank, god damn it. Hey, Mr. 1010. Now that sucks. That's a bad day for anybody. On the side of the road with your hazards on. Alright, Mother Nature. What weather can I expect today? Some garbage rain at the last minute to ruin this nice, lovely drive? Or is the ground going to be nice and dry and sticky? Alright, Texas, Jesus. Let's not live up to the stereotypes that much. It's not the worst I've seen out here. But you clearly did not check your mirrors. Or your blind spots, I should say. I'll set cruise control. We'll just chill. Try and save a little bit of frickin' fuel. I think I'd have to start expensing that. Good grief. It's a good thing I'm filming all this. Hello? Knock, knock, knock. Who's there? Probably want a cracker. Boozy Bank. Or is it Busey? Boozy. Boozy Bank. Bad and boozy.